Hi friend, welcome back to brand new video lesson. In this video lesson, I'll be talking about an interesting fact that has a more than 50% impact on an online course, and that is interactive lecture content. You know, there are so many AI there to design your lecture slides and content. Designing in a PowerPoint, it takes time to make an interactive video lesson if it is theoretical concept. And if you're preparing a practical course, for an example, you are showing some tools in your video lesson, that has a different scenario, my dear friend. But if you are preparing a theoretical video lesson, or maybe some of the video lesson is theoretical in your course, then I would request you to design your lecture content in a so interactive manner by putting elements, images, transition in your lecture slide. And how AI can help you? Microsoft 365 is one of the tool where if you put your text, then the slide will be designed by the AI. There is a designer that has been designed by the Microsoft 365 is going to help you with just a matter of click. You can design any lecture slide. A tool named Canva that has an AI. However, that is not completely free, but there are so many free materials are there to design your lecture content. And most importantly, following some samples that interactive lecture slides is going to help you. Or using these tools, you can design as many interactive lecture slides for your audience as you want. And there are so many tools. I know you know better than me, or you can do research on Google. You can explore them more. But however, I would like to request one thing. Please do not use any watermark in your lecture content or in your video. Ideally, most of the platforms, if you are going to publish like Udemy, Coursera, International Online University, GoEdu, nobody is going to accept the other third-party watermarks. So make sure you have used the images copyright free, so nobody is going to claim for it, and you have designed beautifully. And lastly, before I close this video, I would like to say the more minimal, the more simple you will be in your lecture slide, the more beautiful is going to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. I believe this is going to be help you to design your lecture slide. I will see you on the next video discussing on conclusion statement, then how it should be and what should be the structure. Also, I have made a format for you so that it's going to help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.